You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. For more names of different volcanoes from around the world, in Iceland in particular, volcanic eruption, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Reykjanes. Reykjanes. So the J in the middle is more like a Y. Reykjanes. Reykjanes is how you pronounce it, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.